Alright, this is the glass elevator at Park Meadows. I haven't rode this thing in quite a while because last time I was in the area it was down. So, hey. It ended up working again on the last day, and I took one quick ride on it, and it sounded like they replaced the motor. I really hope they didn't, because this thing had one of my favorite hydraulic motors. It's also taking a while. Here it is. Let's get a cab view of this thing before we go anywhere. All right, let's stay quiet on this way up so we can hear this motor to see if it actually changed or not. All right, 3, 2. That's a different motor. That sucks. And they got new carpets here too. That's a bummer. Oh, that sucks. That was one of my favorite. This thing had one of my favorite hydraulic motors, and now it's gone. Oh, I mean, this elevator looks so cool. Still one of my favorite, like, mall main elevators, but I can't get the phone open. That sucks. All right, let's take one more trip up. What a bummer. Oh well. Well, there's your update on this elevator. Different motor. That's it.